The inflation numbers came in last week, and inflation is still on the rise. And when you look at what you spend money on every day, you see that your fuel, your cost of groceries, and your housing, those expenses are all increasing for most Americans out there. So it makes sense. It makes sense that inflation's on the rise because everything seems to be more expensive. Have you looked at how much your grocery bill is? I know mine's gone up considerably. It's frustrating. So how does this factor into the housing market? Well, rates are going up. Mortgage rates are going up because what's happening is investors are already factoring in another rate increase. So how is the Fed going to bring inflation down? Well, they're going to raise interest rates so we all stop spending money. The problem is that the stuff that we're spending money on, like I say, is core goods and services that we use every day. So I'm not sure how I can not buy gas, not buy groceries, and not live in a house. That's really where a bulk of most Americans are spending their money right now. 30-year fixed interest rates, you can see that they've been continually increasing since the year began. And I think that trend is going to continue. I don't know for how long, but they have to do something to cool off inflation, and raising interest rates is the only tool they have left at this point. The direct effect of this has been a decrease in mortgage loan applications. And so fewer people are in the market because rates are going up and people just can't afford to buy houses. What effect has all this had on the market? Well, it's an inverse effect. We have seen pending home sales increase, and it makes sense because buyers that have been sitting on the sideline see that rates are going up, see that inflation is going up. They've educated themselves in the market and they're saying, look, I need to get into a house now. I need to lock in that interest rate before rates go up even further. And that's why we have pending home sales on the increase. Home prices continue to increase. You can see this is a 5-year look back. We have tailed off a little bit here at the first of the year, but as we hit the home buying season, you're going to see price per square foot increase because there's just such a huge pent-up demand for housing. Unless there's some major thing that happens in the economy that's just a shock, I think you're going to continue to see this trend. So not the best of news, but it's what's going on in your market. If you have specific questions about what's going on in the housing market with interest rates or whatever it is, hey, just hit me up. I'd love to talk to you about that. Please share this content with your friends. I look forward to your feedback coming back, and I'll catch you on the next market update. Thanks.